air is pregnant with anticipation. Men, women, and children wait with bated breaths. They are waiting for the manifestation of quality arts and crafts in the form of motion pictures from every visionary mind around the globe. In the name of something, an event that can only be the Benin City Film Festival, tagged Film, a veritable tool for job creation, taking place at the Civic Center, Airport Road, Benin City, from the 14th to 17th November 2018. The events include movies screening, symposium, masterclasses in motion pictures, exhibitions, commissioners forum, group discussions, awards and gala nights. Media partners, the African movie channels. For sponsorship and participation, contact Victoria on 09035049958. The Benin City Film Festival 2018. Be part of this.